Is your WIX website scaring away visitors with a not secure warning? Don't worry. Enabling SSL on WIX is incredibly easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it in under 90 seconds. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is crucial for website security because it encrypts data transmitted between your visitor's browser and your website's server. This protects sensitive information like passwords and credit card details. Building trust and improving your SEO. WIX actually handles most of the SSL process automatically. But let's make sure it's active. First, log into your WIX account and navigate to your website's dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down to the Website category and then select Domain. This section manages your website's address and vital security features. Under the Domain section, WIX automatically enables SSL protection for every domain connected to it. However, it can take up to 48 hours for the SSL certificate to fully activate after you publish your site or connect a domain. If you see any error messages, or if it's been longer than 48 hours and you're still not seeing the secure padlock in your browser's address bar, contact WIX support. They're equipped to resolve any related issues quickly. By ensuring SSL is active, you're protecting your visitors' data, building trust, and potentially boosting your ranking in search results. So take a moment now to check your SSL status and ensure your website is secure. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more WIX tips.